Hi, it's the Zen Witch with another Unboxing the Classics video. This time I am looking at a non-card oracle. So let's get going. What we're looking at today is the Amulets of the Goddess. Nice kind of velvety bag, big bag, because there's a lot of them there. This is an oracle that was published in 1993 by Wingbow Press in California. It is currently out of print. You can get a copy relatively cheaply from a Libris, which is an incredibly dangerous site if you're addicted to books and tarot like me. Wonderful used books and things, a great place to find stuff that you can't find anyplace else. So we've got a set of, let's see, 27 amulets, which is great because it's a multiple of 9, being a goddess oracle. The number 3 is sacred to the goddess because she is the triple goddess of Maid, Mother, and Crone. So any multiple of that. And the triple goddess, each facet of her contains the other 2 facets. So you talk about a triple triple. So 9 is a number that is particularly sacred to the goddess. And any multiples of 9 are also have that vibe to them. So we've got 27 of these amulets, and they're that wonderful, resin stone kind of stuff that they make lovely noises when you clank them together. And I put them out all together to begin with because it's sort of hard to, go through and try to put them in order live time here. So let's start with the book on this one. The Amulets of the Goddess, Oracle of Ancient Wisdom, a complete divination set by Nancy Blair. And there's a very convenient page in the front, sort of like if you have the runes, Bloom's rune sets have the same thing. Since it's not cards that are in suits or anything like that, this is a great way to identify them quickly so you can look them up. So we'll start with, I'll show you this page here. And it's a little interesting too because the pictures are not exactly like the images on the stones. So again, sometimes it took me, when I first got this set, it took me a while to identify some of them. So let's start off with the Dreaming Goddess. And all of these images are found in ancient art. So you're going to be getting an art history lesson too. Here's the Gorgon. Wow, I watched my camera pop into like great focus for a hot second there. This is Inanna, a goddess from the Fertile Crescent. This is the Lozelle goddess, so Lozelle, France, the caves there. Or I think she was a figurine, not a drawing. This is the Nile River goddess. You kind of see the waves coming out around her. We have the Diving Goddess. We have the Mother and Child, primal Mother and Child image. We have the Bird Goddess. And Sheila Nahig. It's spelled Sheila Nagig. It's pronounced Sheila Nahig. From the Celts, we've got the Willendorf Goddess. Everyone's very familiar with her. The cat. So now we come into a string of animals. So the first set there of 9 is the actual goddesses, and now we're into the animals. So there was the cat, there's the cow, all of these animals sacred to the goddess for one reason or another. The dolphin, that I'm sure you've seen from Crete. The ewe, mummy sheep. The frog. I remember when I got this set, I had a hell of a time identifying what this one was. There's the frog. There's where it is in the book. And they look kind of different. It's, when something's in black line and then when something's, the other part of it is in 3D white on white, it's kind of hard to identify sometimes, but it's okay. The owl. And Sneck, the snake. the sow, the spider. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What do you know? There's 9 of those too. And then there are objects. So first object here is the comb. And then eyes, a hand with seeds, the labrys, double-headed axe, again from Crete, the night star, so we've got a star with a little moon in there, the sprouting seed, the temple, recognizable of course, the triple spiral, and then whirlwinds. There we go. So it's a beautiful set. Ooh, look, there's also a double axe inside the whirlwinds there. Got it. Okay. So it's a beautiful set, really cool images. This spider one has kind of some orangey stuff on it because I was probably pressing it into clay for some reason at some point. I'm going to throw them in the bag, and then we're going to pull one out. The book is really awesome, and I will show you why once I pull one out here. So we're just going to ask the lady to give us a message, okay? The question when you don't have a specific question is always, what do I need to know right now? So I'm going to make those lovely clicky sounds. I love that sound. Okay. That one right there is the one I want. And look, we got the temple. Okay. Obviously recognizable as Stonehenge, one of the trilithons. So let's look it up. So again, you go to the handy page in the front, the temple, page 168. And you will have, for each of the entries, there's going to be a section on the historical significance of the image, or the origin of the image. And then it will say, when you receive, blah, blah, blah. So then you get into the divinatory meanings. When you receive it, it means this. And then, and there will be other images too for you to look at, and references, historical references. And then it will tell you the goddesses, images that correlate with it, colors, a fragrance, and a meditation. So it's like full ritual. You can do full rituals with these amulets. And I have used them in ritual, which is why that spider is kind of orange. Okay, so temple is breakthrough, awakening, and healing. And I'm going to skip right to the when you receive this. You are about to take a big step. Some personal change has brought you to a critical place along your path. Truth. Perhaps an emotional crisis, an upset, or an accident has transported you to another shore. You feel as if you had a near-death experience and just woke up. A memory of some hidden past event may have surfaced and surprised you. Shaken, you're a little wobbly on your feet. That's like literally true. In terms of psychic healing, the goddess temple actually foretells a new life unfolding. And this is very true. Okay, you now need to focus your energy taking care of any physical health issues before going on. Take time for massage, yoga, quiet walks in nature, or some other gentle form of healing body care. This is not the time for a rigorous workout. You must practice being in your body as if stepping into it for the first time. Take a bath, eat slowly, meditating on each bite. Okay, it goes on. What's really fun about this right now is I'm in physical therapy currently for my back. I've been getting increasingly weak and wobbly with, old lady shit going on. But I'm actively doing this right now. So, and I certainly know that this Oracle has the it factor. I've used it for many years, and it's really, really wonderful. So yeah, I'm looking to see if there's a description, of the 3 sets. Yes, so we have the goddesses, and then we have the sacred animals, and then we have the sacred symbols. And just let me read through the main meaning. So the dreaming goddess is intuitive inspiration. Gorgon is transforming anger, reclaiming power. Inanna is self-transformation. The Lozel goddess is moontime. Nile River goddess, strength, triumph, success. Primal Mother Goddess, child, so the mother and child. Infinite Love. The Dancing Bird Goddess is ecstasy. Sheila Nahig is honoring choices. The Willendorf is belonging. Then the Sacred Animals. Cat is protecting good fortune. Cow, uniting in partnership. Dolphin, joy celebration. U is self-worth. Frog is speaking out. The owl is wisdom of the darkness. The snake is shedding fear, renewing hope. The sow is listening. The spider is sacred creativity. The comb is self-reliance. Eyes are reflecting inner visions. Hand with seeds is accepting responsibility. The labrus is priestess power. The night star is fulfillment. The sprouting seed is new beginnings. Temple is breakthrough, awakening, healing. Triple spiral is barriers, boundaries, and possibilities. And whirlwinds, trusting the invisible. So it's a lovely, lovely set. And if you can get your hands on one before they get too expensive, I'm telling you, A Libris had one for $21 and something, plus shipping. So if you're attracted to this at all, go grab yourself one before they get too expensive. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you dig what I'm doing here. I'm going to start doing more live streams. Look forward to live streams of readings to come. It could be you. And I will talk to you soon. And please feel free to share this everywhere. Drop something in the comments below if you have a particular deck that you would like to hear about, or an oracle tool you would like to hear about. Always ready to add new ones to the now 150 strong collection. So again, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Blessed be.